tracks really nice down the road. Not much play on either side of the wheel. Just a few degrees as you'd expect out of one of these buses, but the steering box feels very tight.